Hello, this is another video that I'm doing. It is a list review for an event that's coming up here in Denmark called BA-invades. And it is a friendly event that is coming up in a few weeks, almost days by now. And this list was sent to me by Klaus, who is joining the event and wanted to have a review. So let's go and see if we can talk about his list and what it can and will do. So it's a 13 order dice, 1262 points. The event itself is actually 1250 points, but there's a few extra points in the list because you get some free stuff, which of course Easy Army doesn't know is for free. So right, it's the Rhineland theater selector, and we have an American list, 13 order dice. We have a regular second lieutenant with 2 extra men. I'm seeing this more and more, with like boosting the lieutenants up to full unit strength. And I think especially if you're going regulars, that might be a good idea. They are more survivable there, and they're more killy as well. Then we have regular infantry. We have 2 regular infantry squads. The NCO has a submachine gun. 2 of the infantrymen have BARs, and there are 8 riflemen. So large, bulky units, 11-man units. I don't think they need necessarily to be 11-man units, but they are quite good. And you can both push and skirmish with these units. Very, very good. Then we have another regular down here, so same as the 2 first. So 3 regulars of 11 men and a veteran engineer unit. Engineers have a flamethrower, double BARs, submachine gun, and 1 rifleman to be the loader for the flamethrower. Again, I really like this unit. It is very strong, it is very survivable. And because it's a 5-man unit, it's easy to transport as well. And they need a transport for the flamethrower. Then he has a machine gun, medium machine gun team, 50 points. The machine guns for this event have gotten boosts, so they are more worth it. We have a medium mortar, regular with a spotter, again very good. We see this quite a lot in Denmark as well, and not just the UK meta, but also in the Danish one. A bazooka team, regular. A sniper team with submachine guns for both, so they can, if you're not going to snipe anymore, they can start hunting infantry instead. And then a Sherman M4 Calliope, which is the one where you have basically a multi-rocket launcher on top of your Sherman. The model looks amazingly crazy. It's just weird. It has a medium anti-tank gun, coaxial MMG, multi-rocket launcher, and a hull-mounted MMG, and it costs 310 points as veteran. But of course, as veteran, you get to use the gyro stabilizer for your main medium anti-tank gun, which is very cool. This is of course very expensive, but the event have put in place some discounts for heavy tanks, so this is encouraged. I really like the Calliope. The one thing is it has a busy turret, so you can't fire both the turret guns and the multiple rocket launcher at the same time, which I guess is fair, because that would be way overpowered. He's also bringing a Jeep and a Dodge as well. The Jeep, I think, is for the bazooka team. The Dodge is for the engineers. And finally, he has a half track where 12 men can go in, so he can put one of his infantry units in one of these. The one thing I will note, Klaus, is that your transport seats, right? Look at these. So your Jeep for your, guessing for the bazooka, it could be for the lieutenant. If it's for the lieutenant, good on you. But if it's for the bazooka, you're paying for an extra empty seat. The Dodge truck is definitely for the engineers. However, it has an 8-man capacity. You have 5 men, so you're not filling up the Dodge truck unless you put the lieutenant in this one. Then you're not filling up the Jeep. And then the half track, it also, because your infantry units are 11-man units, it at least has 1 free seat. So you're just paying a few extra points. It doesn't really matter that much. It's just something to take notice of. And the Dodge and the half track both have pin-mounted HMGs, so you can deliver those pins for armored vehicles. Lovely, lovely, and very thematic list. Thank you so much for sending it, Klaus, and good luck at Invader. I wish I was joining you. However, I'm not even in the country. There we go. So that was it. Cheers.